It's me, Sissy. I'm back. Did you miss me? I know I've been gone for a little bit. Got the flu, was really sick. Then got a virus, was really sick. Took a week's vacation to get over the flu and the virus, and got another virus, so I was sick for another week. But we all seem to be better now, so I'm back. And I have a Dollar Tree haul for you, so let's get right into it. And then at the end, I have a big announcement, so stay tuned. Alright, I'm just loving all the Easter and spring stuff they've got out. So I grabbed some of these beautiful little flowers. Oh, they're so pretty with the lavender in it. And the pink and the purple and the yellow. They're so pretty. So I got those. And I got some wall decor. And then in a video I got coming up, I'll show you how I use some of the wall decor around my house. They got this pretty one that says welcome. And then this one that says leave a little sparkle wherever you go. I'm going to put that by my vanity where I put my makeup on. So I thought those were really cute. I hadn't seen those before. And then I got a lot of stuff for DIYs and a few little organizational things and some stuff I just felt like I needed. So got these cute little drawers. You've been seeing these, and I found out the coolest thing. If you pop the top off, you can actually stack these together and they will snap together. Because I don't know what I was thinking. I was just stacking them up and my stuff kept falling out. But if very gently, you can pull the top off and this set of drawers will snap right on top. I have that on my makeup table with all my lipsticks organized by color and my mascara and stuff. So it's really cool, and you can't beat it for $1. And let's see, oh, this is a repurchase. This is the Daily Defense Coconut Oil and Vitamin E Deep Conditioner. It's sulfate free. I like to use this once a week, put it on my hair, put a cap on it, and just leave it on for a while and let it suck in. It's supposed to do 3 minutes. I probably do about 30 minutes. And have my little spa day, put my face mask on, and put this on my hair, and sit in the tub and watch YouTube videos. That's more information than y'all really wanted, probably. But anyway, I like this. This is good. And then there's some Salon Selective one in the pink is my favorite, but my Dollar Tree was out of it, so I got that. And I got another little pair of reading glasses, my cheaters. I wear prescription glasses, and I probably should get bifocals, but I don't know. I can't walk with them on, so I just get them for driving and watching the movies and stuff, and then I get these for reading. So anyway, got that. And oh, the cute little Easter decor. I got the cute little glitter eggs. This is for a DIY that hopefully is coming up right after this video. And I got these cute little marshmallow candies with the bunny and the chick and the rabbit and the lamb. And that's for a DIY too, which I hope if this works out, it's going to be really cute, and I'll show it to you. If it doesn't, I'll tell you about it. I got some Easter grass to go with that DIY. And I'm not a big fan of Ninja Turtles, but I just wanted these green straws for my DIY. And I already had a bunch of multicolored straws. I just wanted the green ones, so I bought this. And of course the adorable little burlap Easter bunny, and I got the pink one. That's cute. Now I'm not going to use mine as an Easter basket. I'm actually just going to drop a potted plant in here and kind of use it as a planter. I just thought it was so cute. Peace lily or Easter lily in there, I think will be adorable. So I've got that, and I got some Easter bells. My office where I work, we have a door that I can't see from my desk, so people can kind of sneak in sometimes and I don't hear them. So I'm going to take these bells and stick them on the door. I have some for Christmas, and somebody told me the other day, you know, Christmas is past, and I was like, yeah, okay. So, but now I have the Easter and spring ones, and I'm going to put those on there, and they'll be nice and decorative for the holiday. I got one of the cute little welcome signs with the eggs. I just got it for the welcome part, which is going to be used in another DIY. I got all these plans, y'all. I just want to get back into doing stuff so bad. So I've made all these plans, and hopefully it'll motivate me so I'll get the stuff done. But I think I'm going to split this up, and this will actually be used in 2 different DIYs. So stay tuned for that. And oh, I got this cute little book. Looks wooden, and it's got the cutout in the front. It's just a notebook, but it says, "Be brave." That's kind of my motto. So be brave, do new things, get out there. So I got the notebook. And another little Easter sign. This one says Happy Easter on the stake. And this is maybe used in a DIY. I got 2 or 3 ideas for it. But as I said, stay tuned. Got all this stuff going on. I hope I get it done. And then I got this cute little basket. And now I'm trying to think what I got it for. Oh, I got it to my brain's going. I got it to make an Easter basket for my mom. Let's see what else we got in this bag. Oh, I had to get my little solar dancing Easter bunny. I got a chick last year, so I'm going to put this bunny on my office to do that holiday. And I got another Wet n Wild makeup brush. I love these little makeup brushes. They're only $1. You can't beat that. And I got a glasses case. I just got new glasses, and I'm trying not to get these ruined. So I'm going to try to remember to keep them in the case. I have a bad habit of just throwing them in the console in the car, just throwing them in my purse, and then they get all warped up, and I look crazy wearing them. But I got another chicken placemat to use in my kitchen. I have a bad habit of forgetting that it's just a placemat, and I think it's a cutting board, and I'll cut stuff up on it, and I'll get all scratched up. But this time, I got a clear glass cutting board I'm going to put on top of it. That way, I can save my chicken and keep my decor nice and pretty. And this is the E-Circuit earphones I got to go with my, what do you call it, iPod. I always call it a Walkman, which I know dates me. My son thinks it's so funny, but it's an iPod. I lost the earbuds to it because I really hate earbuds. I like the big headphones, but I like to go walking at the walking track, and people look at you crazy when you have on the big noise canceling earphones. So I thought I would give these earbuds a try. And let's see, I got some of the Wildflower Blend for sunny areas. Covers 100 square feet. I'm not going to do 100 square feet, but I do have some planters. I'm going to try to put those in and see what comes up. See if it comes up. I already have some mums in them, and they're coming back from last year, so I thought I'd just put that in there with them. Oh, and I got the LA Colors Eyeshadow Bold Urban, yeah, Urban is the color, 12 color eyeshadow palette. It's some really pretty colors in there. I don't know how pigmented these will be. I'll give them a try. I did get, I don't know, I can't remember now if it was LA Colors or Wet n Wild. And the colors were beautiful, but when you swatched them, there was like no color at all. So, I still have the palettes, and I did see someone else on another YouTube video, one of those beauty guru people, and she said that she had the LA Colors and it worked really good, but there was a film on the top of the colors, and once you got through that, the colors were really pigmented. So I'm going to go mess with them and see if I can get some color out of them, because it's really pretty colors, and I'm trying to do better with my makeup. But I finally found some of these banks. The last round of them, I never could find any, but I found 2. There's a new dollar store that opened up in a little town over for me, and I got over there, and I did find these 2 items. It said I could give up shopping, but I'm not a quitter. That's me. I'm never going to quit shopping, y'all. But I thought that was so cute, so got that one. And then I got the other one that they had. These are only 2 I saw. Was saving for a rainy day, so I got that one. And oh y'all, I got some of these cute little green St. Patrick's Day hats. There's 5 in a pack. Of course, these are for my puppies for St. Patrick's Day. My son is over visiting me, and he brought his 2 little dogs. So with his 2 and my 2, we have 4, and we're gonna try to get these on them and get some pictures. But that is all. As I said, this was a quick little haul. Feeling better, wanted to go shopping, so I went and got all this stuff. But now for my big announcement. Finally reached 1,000 subscribers. Hallelujah. So happy and amazed that so many people subscribe to my little channel. And glad to have you. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. But anyway, I got 1,000 subscriber giveaway. I'm going to announce the winner Friday. So I'm going to let anybody who subscribes and comments this next week, they can be entered into it also. But anyway, there's a huge box. They put lots of stuff in it. Even while I was not filming, I did put some more stuff in the box. So it's a good size box, loaded with stuff. So I look forward to giving it away, and be sure and subscribe, thumbs up. You can see me on Facebook, and I'm on Instagram also. I put the links in the description of this video. But anyway, y'all, it's great to be back. I hope I have a lot of stuff planned. I hope I get it all done. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Bye.